Hello friends, welcome to Ankush Experiments. Happy Diwali to all of you. Be safe, be very happy. So most of us heard the word that is earthing. Do you know how important is it? Earthing is also known as grounding. This is a fundamental and essential part of an electrical circuit or system. Simply, it can be said when any fault is occurred in any electrical devices, then the short circuit current flows through the low resistance path earthing wire to the ground. The earthing protects the personnel from the short circuit current. The earthing provides the easiest path to the flow of short circuit current even after the failure of insulation. So I will show you the diagram from which you can easily understand the phenomenon. So you can see in the diagram and hope you can easily understand that what is happening if earthing is done or not. So in this video I am going to show you that how to check earthing is exist or not in the power supply board of our home. So let's start. So you can see this is an extension board and you can see the three wires. So they are the phase, neutral and earthing. So for checking the earthing I am using digital multimeter. So how to check? First I have to set it in the AC mode and then put one wire in the phase and put the black wire in the earthing socket. Then switch it on. So you can see the earthing is exist. So this is another extension cord and earthing is not exist here. If there is no earthing, so you cannot find any value of the voltage. So I am checking with the same procedure. So putting the wires, I am switching it on. There is no value. There is showing 0 instead of 250 or 240 volts. So be careful when you check. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you.